Good morning, everyone. My name is Jay, and I wanted to share some of my takeaway from this morning's meeting. And so this morning we learned about one of our teammates' experiences with on the listing side and the buyer side. And I didn't want to go too much into it, but the takeaway that's important, that I feel is important, is communication. Because a lot of times, of all of us, we do an excellent job explaining the VIP benefits and so forth, and the clients, it seems like they are aware of what we're explaining to them. But it seems like it's difficult when the client themselves say, "Oh yeah, I agree," and they don't say anything, and then all of a sudden, a month later, they have issues. And obviously we can't control how they think, their actions. But the key is we as agents, we as being the representatives, we need to do our best to constantly communicate and make sure that we're doing our best job as possible. And so that's why what my takeaway was. We obviously have their best interest in mind because we have that fiduciary duty to them. But at the same time, we need to constantly be on open channels in terms of communicating and in terms of going above and beyond to make sure that the clients themselves know what's going on during the entire process. And so I just want to thank everyone for sharing. So all of us will be able to grow as a team and as to provide the best services. And so communication is a key. It is very important, and that's my takeaway from today. Thank you.
Are you thinking of selling your home? This is John Cobelt with important facts for home sellers. Why waste time with an ordinary agent? Call my friend and agent, Rudy Kasuma. Rudy may already have a buyer for your home. Rudy has thousands of qualified buyers in his exclusive Buyers in Waiting program. The fact is, Rudy Kasuma has more buyers, which means more money and a faster sale for you. Call the only one I would trust to sell my home. Call Rudy now at 855-RUDY-SELLS, 855-RUDY-SELLS, or RudyHasTheBuyers.com, RudyHasTheBuyers.com.